Question number 3. Hey, Dr. Islam, if I'm worried about hepatitis, what can I do today to help prevent this? Well, I kind of mentioned this. Number 1, if you're taking a supplement, you need to be very careful about this. Too many supplements are out there that are not regulated, and unfortunately can cause a lot of liver damage in a lot of our patients, to the point where they actually need to have a liver transplant. I have sent patients for a liver transplant based on these supplements. So if you're taking something like that, be very, very, very careful and make sure you speak to your doctor. Number 2, you need to minimize those risk factors that can give you a hepatitis, whether it's sexually transmitted diseases or IV drug use. If you're doing that, or if you're not having safe practices, this can lead you to develop a hepatitis as well, especially a viral hepatitis. Number 3, get your vaccine. So there's a hepatitis C vaccine that's out there that we typically give. Sometimes you get vaccines against other viruses as well. Get your routine vaccines, be up to date on your immunizations. This will help prevent you from getting a hepatitis. Number 4, if you're traveling, make sure you're very careful about where you eat, because that's another way where you can get inflammation of the liver, in which you can get a hepatitis in certain foods that you ingest can go into your liver and cause inflammation to occur. And obviously, if you're drinking water, make sure you drink bottled water, especially if you're traveling, or make sure you boil the water as well. These are very common areas or reasons why people can have inflammation in the liver from having these particular foods that are not clean, or maybe an environment that's not good for you. And then lastly, guys, you know this, wash your hands. Yes, washing your hands will help prevent any viruses from coming into you, whether it's a bacterial virus or whether it's a bacteria or a virus, which can possibly invade your liver to prevent this inflammation from occurring. These are small little tips that I recommend for my patients to help them prevent a hepatitis or liver inflammation from occurring. Great question.